pressure upon it. Let me see the cut. I'm saying about what you eat. And they act like say what the thumbs and stuff can't take off the knife cut.
You like that? That's Steve. Camera, but it's so. Guys, like you cased it earlier.
Camera to okay, I will so.
What's that?
So we're supposed to watch it and come in a video. We have to video so. And then we're going to turn on camera for this. To put the camera this and you go video this so.
No, but we can talk to them. Alright guys, so now what boy is on plate?
I don't know.
Yo!
I have the attention.
No, let them.
You don't go there about you, I will go where you go.
Yeah, cook or what do you mean?
You wash your hand? Where you wash your hand? And I know you're not put the pumpkin. What you
guys,
put the pumpkin in some of your
throw the pumpkin and now I'm going to reflect after.
Sir. Kevin! Come on here! You're too greedy, man! That on?
What that?
So guys, it on?
Yeah, on.
Yeah guys, so you know when they done cut up or something, you're always supposed to clean up your hair, because you don't want a dirty place. Or the door want a dirty place around here. So I'm going to show you them here.
Pumpkin tough people.
I didn't even clean up in here. What is this? What is this? You didn't even clean up this. Why are you fat in here?
Yo, what I know?
You're supposed to check
That's
it
your
out.
man.
Watch your yard if you're pumpkin some over there, so when you stay there, go beside me. You see your classes.
Did that?
Clean up in here. How much time
What
up
they
there?
don't do
Clean up in
that,
here.
don't
Clean up in here.
You need to come put up myself.
You done cut up, don't you see?
Put up more things, that's all.
Where's the sweet potato? Oh.
Come back to that man.
Yeah, but come here. I want to go to the same place.
Why we can't the same guys? Why we can't the same place? What's your trying to mind me? I don't get it. People, make sure you know properly.
Yeah, that's the way I'm there.
Properly.
The same place. Guys, tell the boy stop eat your palm in a place. We don't want nobody eat your palm. Good girl feel they call it claustrophobic. Yeah. Give me some right show.
Ah! Come to please!
You fuck, I know you're over there, so you would get caught, you would get caught, where you would get caught. Where you want to where you want to over there, so you would get caught. Chain up. Yeah, they am fool.
Sorry, my family there.
I am here, and I believe that right there, so you would get caught. Look at no, you're enough, careful, you're enough. Watch it.
Abi, come stop, Abi. Bleeding on top, Abi, bro. Come back, Abi. Abi, where are you?
Say enough. Yeah, man, you get one to slice for all where we get that every day. Put pressure on it.
Bleeding on top, Abi.
Put pressure on your hand. That's what we never there, so you say, chain enough. Watch out. My dad. No, somebody could be this.
So, job.
People, watch it, idiot. Run come over my section. Watch you idiot. Run come over my section with enough safe. Show him enough. Yeah. You saw enough in scars.
Yeah, bleeding on going a bit.
Put pressure upon it. Watch out, in there grown people, in there grown people. Watch you idiot. No, sir.
I don't think I'll go off. I mean, I'm free to go.
You want preserve here?
You know, stop bleeding, Abi.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we have to get food. I'm going to say DNA. Watch out, you put the DNA in that soul. But watch out. Put pressure upon it. Watch out.
Abi. Stop now, man. My finger hurt. My finger
Put
hurt.
pressure upon it. Let me see the cord. Watch out. And they act like say what the thumbs and stuff can't take off the knife cut.
You like that? That's Steve about it.
Alright, when you're ready, watch out. People want to see the idiot? Right, so watch the idiot. Get them put knife cut and act like say my thumbs and can't manage to look at knife cut. Get them ready for this. Feel like idiot.
Everything alright there?
We are going to go to man.
Everything alright, man. Man, I'm not worried, He's a wicked little girl. I see him big finger he cut off. You see you wicked.
See if you can have
Guys, she wicked. You really yo, we see get some smart cut sometime. The fool, I be wicked to me.
I know we give what the way I go and I change up the video, but they figure out where I change the problem.
Yeah. I know you bet me.
Be a child, don't just be a child, be a man. I feel what? I'm going to say you're a prank. Why? If you be a self here, if you never move away, you would get caught. But stay there, get caught there.
But if you don't want you, yo, give me that duty thing, because this come like one bar, this get ready too.
Go and wash up. Why you use the fake blood? Go and wash up with some of the food. You can't play with food and blood. Damn food. They see me, I help you. I say, well, if I wish for you, they're good, you know, and they come over here to come get cut. You say enough. Enough, enough.
Can't believe I missed her.
Can't believe it.
But yeah, I'm never.
And then where you go, and I say, Kupanda eat that. And they walk like your thugs and can't jump a knife, but when me get almost every time.
See the knife sharp, watch out. The knife is sharp, and I be careful, you know, be. No, sir. Knife sharp, bad man.
In my bedroom? Say that, give me money.
Yeah, man.
When I have money.
You buy them for you?
I saw me want boom. What I tell you? It's good girl. So guys, right about now, oh no, so you're supposed to clean up every section. I saw you cut up some, I saw you take it out of the way because that
Sharp.
yeah guys, so you cut up some, I saw you get rid of it because you don't want the place messy. So now I have to clear up on the area after. Right show.
So hold on, then when you buy to whom?
Oh, boom.
No, I won't.
The drink.
Can't take it to you. Take it to the gun, plate the sleeve. Buy 3 boom. Small boom or big boom?
3 big boom that you can buy.
Okay. Give her the change. Like a man.
Hey, girls keep changing.
Hey.